Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful glueless braided wig without ventilating, and I used 2 packs of braid extension. Right now I'll be cutting into 2 equal parts. I'm going to pick the strands and then comb thoroughly. It's time to braid. So I'm going to start by braiding with the smaller strands, and then I'll be adding it up as it goes. So I've already boiled my hot water. This is my conditioner. I'll be mixing them together and then I'll pour it into the braid. This makes it to straighten up. So this is my head net. This is my mannequin head. So I'm going to place my net onto the mannequin head and use my office pin to secure. This is my Swiss lace. I'm going to use this Swiss lace for the front because I want it to come out as natural as it can look. So it's time to sew. Make sure you sew to the end of the hairnet. Right now I'll be cutting the nets under the Swiss lace so it can look natural. So when you are cutting this, make sure you cut it gently. So it's time to fix in the braids. This is my white eye pencil. I'll be using it to mark out the place I'll be placing my braids. So this is basically the work. Once you are done with this process, that is it. It's just for you to start sewing. I'm going to start sewing. Start by sewing like this and then make sure you continue till you get to the end of the head. So sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked? Please hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and also turn on the notification so you'll be notified whenever I post.
a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And I'll be using my foundation to blend this so it will look like my skin color, my scalp. I'm going to cut out the excess Swiss lace on it. It's coming out well. Look at this hair. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.